Here's your Hiniker model CP 21 Shank hydraulic fold chisel plow. It's gonna need some hoses on it, but you got metal pipe going back here, so your hoses are gonna be pretty short to put on there. It's got your rocking bolsters on it. It's got your wheels up on top, gauge wheels. It's a lot of chisel plow. You don't have, if you don't want, take the top off and just use the bottom. This hitch has been reinforced here. Looks like it did a pretty nice job right here. I don't see anything else. You got your jump start. This way just gets, I guess. Hit me, spray it.
Blue spray, John.